Remember the days when rocking out to your favorite tunes outdoors meant risking your speaker's well-being? Well, those days are long gone. Picture this. You're at a pool party, everyone's having a blast, and then suddenly, a rogue cannonball makes a splash that's not just in the pool but all over your precious speakers. Or you're chilling at the beach, enjoying the sun and the surf, when out of nowhere, a sneaky wave decides to give your speakers a not-so-refreshing sprinkle of seawater. Bam! Your speakers, they're done for. It's like they just got caught in a crossfire they didn't sign up for. But hold on, rewind to today. The game has changed. We've got a game changer in the form of waterproof speakers. These aren't your average speakers that run for cover at the mere mention of water. No, sir. These are the real deal. The troopers of outdoor entertainment. And let me tell you, they're smarter, tougher, and more entertaining than ever before. To help you decide, we have listed the top 5 best waterproof Bluetooth speakers and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below, and you can also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, thedetailedguide.com. At number 5, we have the EarFun UBOOM L waterproof Bluetooth speaker. Now, if you're on the hunt for a budget-friendly speaker that doesn't compromise on quality, you're in for a treat. So let's dive right in. It comes in at just $80 on Amazon. Now, I know what you're thinking. Can a speaker at this price really deliver good sound? Well, hold on to your hats, because the answer is a resounding yes. One of the standout pros of the EarFun UBOOM L is the amazing sound quality it offers for the money. Seriously, you'll be blown away by the bass-rich stereo sound that this speaker pumps out. Whether you're jamming to your favorite tunes or catching up on the latest podcast, it's going to impress. But that's not all. This speaker is designed with convenience in mind. The button controls are super user-friendly, making it a breeze to switch between different modes for indoor and outdoor listening. No need to fumble around with complicated settings. It's all right at your fingertips. This speaker is built tough. It's IP67 waterproof and dustproof, so you can take it on all your adventures without worrying about a thing. Rain or shine, this speaker is ready to rock. On the con side, there's no companion app for this speaker. But honestly, with the straightforward controls and impressive sound quality, it's not a deal breaker by any means. Unlike some other Bluetooth speakers in its price range, the EarFun UBOOM L also comes with a standard audio input. That means you can easily connect it to your MP3 player or laptop with the included cable. And let's not forget about the battery life. You're looking at up to 16 hours of playtime on a single charge. Plus, the USB-C connector ensures a quick and hassle-free charging experience. Number 4, we've got a classic in the house, the Ultimate Ears Boom 3 waterproof Bluetooth speaker. And trust me, this one's a legend for a reason. So buckle up as we dive into all the deets. Coming in at $128. Now, I know that might not be the cheapest option out there, but stick around and you'll see why this classic is worth every penny. This speaker rocks a timelessly cool look that never goes out of style. It's like the James Dean of speakers, you know what I mean? And that's not all. The build is as tough as nails, backed by a 2-year warranty. That's right, this bad boy can take a beating and keep on pumping out the tunes. Now, one thing that sets the Boom 3 apart is its customizable magic button. You can set it up to quickly access your favorite playlists on Apple Music and Spotify. So, if you're in the mood for some chill vibes or pump-up jams, it's just a press away. No need to hunt down your phone. Speaking of convenience, the Boom 3 is IP67 waterproof and dustproof. That means it can handle a dunk in the pool without skipping a beat. And get this! It can even float on the water's surface. Yeah, you heard me right. Pool party, anyone? Now let's talk sound. This speaker delivers a 360-degree sound experience that's nothing short of amazing. Dual audio drivers and bass radiators come together to give you that immersive audio goodness you crave. Whether you're rocking out in your room or taking the party outdoors, the Boom 3 has got you covered. Battery life? Oh, it's got that too. You're looking at up to 15 hours of playtime on a single charge. That's a whole lot of jamming time, my friends. Now, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. On the downside, the charging connector is a bit dated. It's a micro USB instead of the more common USB-C. But honestly, in a world where most devices are moving to USB-C, it's a minor hiccup in the grand scheme of things. Number 3, we're talking about a powerhouse. the JBL Xtreme 3 waterproof Bluetooth speaker. This bad boy is big, bold, and ready to rock your world. So, let's dive into why this is the best big speaker out there. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk price. You're looking at $280 on Amazon, so it's definitely not the most budget-friendly option. But trust me, once you hear what it can do, you might just be willing to splurge. First off, let's address the elephant in the room. This speaker is big. Weighing in at over 4 pounds, it's no lightweight. But guess what? That weight brings some serious benefits. The sound that the JBL Xtreme 3 delivers is nothing short of powerful and enjoyable. This thing can pump out tunes with a thunderous quality that'll have you dancing in no time. And don't let the weight scare you off. This speaker comes with a convenient carrying strap that makes it easy to take on the go. But wait, there's more. The strap even has an integrated bottle opener. How cool is that? You're walking around with great music and a bottle opener. Talk about a party in your pocket. Now here's a neat trick. The Xtreme 3 isn't just a speaker, it's also a versatile battery pack. That's right, you can use it to charge up your gadgets while you're on the move. With USB-A and USB-C ports, you'll be able to keep your devices juiced up while you're jamming out. Talk about killing two birds with one stone. Acoustically, this speaker lives up to its Xtreme name. It's got not one, but 2 woofers, 2 tweeters, and a pair of passive bass radiators. That means you're getting that signature JBL sound that's known for rocking the house. Whether you're into bass-heavy tracks or crisp vocals, this speaker has got you covered. Now, let's talk about durability. This speaker is IP67 waterproof and dustproof, so it can handle a little adventure without breaking a sweat. Rain or shine, beach or poolside, it's ready to go wherever you go. And when it comes to connectivity, you're future-proofed with Bluetooth 5.1. But wait, there's more. There's also a standard audio jack for wired playback. JBL knows you like options. Battery life? Check. You're getting up to 15 hours of playtime on a single charge. And speaking of charging, the Xtreme 3 comes with a USB-C connector for quick and hassle-free charging. Number 2, we've got a runner-up that's ready to make some noise. The JBL Charge 5 waterproof Bluetooth speaker. This one's a solid contender that's going to impress you with its power and versatility. So let's jump right into it. Now, before we get into the details, let's talk about the price. You're looking at $180 on Amazon for this speaker. So let's see what this speaker has to offer. First off, the Charge 5 delivers some seriously powerful sound that's going to have you grooving to the beat. It's got a unique driver setup with a larger woofer and a smaller tweeter, backed up by a duo of passive bass radiators. The result? A sonic experience that's perfect for outdoor open spaces. Think beach parties and backyard barbecues. And let's not forget about versatility. This speaker pulls double duty as a backup battery. That's right, it can recharge your other gadgets while pumping out those tunes. Talk about killing 2 birds with 1 stone. Now on the design front, the Charge 5 goes for an understated look that's both sleek and sophisticated. No flashy lights here, and you know what? It works. This design choice keeps the speaker lighter without compromising on durability. But there's a slight drawback. There's no carrying handle or strap. So, if you're planning to take this speaker on the go, you might need to get a bit creative with how you carry it. However, considering the other features it brings to the table, it might just be a minor trade-off. Now, if you're into options, you're in luck. The Charge 5 comes in a variety of colors, including black, blue, gray, red, teal, and camouflage. So you can pick the one that matches your style and vibe. Battery life? You're getting up to 20 hours of playtime on a single charge. Plus, you've got the convenience of a USB-C connector for quick and easy charging. Number 1, the Sony SRS-XE300 wireless Bluetooth speaker. This one's not just the best overall, it's the one that's going to completely blow your mind. So let's dive in and see what makes this speaker a true champion. You can snag this incredible speaker for just $139 on Amazon. Trust me, after I walk you through the features, you'll see why this is a steal. The SRS-XE300 brings you excellent sound that's going to make your ears perk up. With dual full-range audio drivers and 2 passive radiators, you're getting powerful stereo sound that's customizable through the app. Whether you're indoors or outdoors, this speaker is going to impress. But hold on, it's not just about the sound. The design of this speaker is pure elegance. That fabric cover adds a touch of class, and the build is incredibly durable. With a shockproof build and an IP67 waterproof and dustproof rating, this speaker can handle whatever you throw at it. Rain, dust, drops, it's ready for action. Battery life? You're looking at up to 24 hours of playtime on a single charge. That's a whole day's worth of non-stop music. Now, one thing to note is that this speaker doesn't double as a portable battery pack. But honestly, with all the other features it brings to the table, that's a minor trade-off. And let's talk about versatility. This speaker doesn't just sound great, it's also a reliable speakerphone. So, if you're on a call with friends or family, you can expect clear and crisp audio on both ends. You've got options when it comes to style, too. The SRS XE300 is available in black, blue, and light gray, so you can choose the one that matches your vibe. Now, if you're looking for something a bit smaller, consider its sibling, the Sony SRS XE200. It offers a similar design and features, but in a more compact package.